Plucking at petals, you do not gather the beauty of the flower. Love is endless mystery, for it has nothing else to explain it. He who is too busy doing good finds no time to be good. Age considers, youth ventures. Every difficulty slurred over will be a ghost to disturb your repose later on. We gain freedom when we have paid the full price. A mind all logic is like a knife all blade. It makes the hand bleed that uses it. We come nearest to the great when we are great in humility. We live in the world when we love it. Music fills the infinite between two souls. In art, man reveals himself and not his objects. Life is given to us, we earn it by giving it. Life and death are important, don't suffer them in vain. Those who own much have much to fear. Love does not claim possession but gives freedom. If you shut the door to all errors, truth will be shut out. The burden of the self is lightened with I laugh at myself. Emancipation from the bondage of the soil is no freedom for the tree. Faith is the bird that feels the light when the dawn is still dark. Clouds come floating into my life, no longer to carry rain or storm, but to add color to my sunset sky. Let us not pray to be sheltered from dangers, but to be fearless when facing them. Do not limit a child to your own learning, for he was born in another time. Who can't cross the sea merely by standing and staring at the water? Trees are earth, endless effort to speak to the listening heaven. Facts are many, but the truth is one. Thanks for watching this motivational quotes, Ravindranath Tagore quotes. Do subscribe to my channel.